In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails with Mailchimp. We'll walk through the full process from logging in to writing your message to finally sending or scheduling your campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly which options to choose so your emails go out to the right people at the right time. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel and click on Campaigns. This is where all your email campaigns are created and managed. In the top right corner of the campaigns page, click the Create button. The page will reload and you'll see different types of campaigns you can create on the left side: email, automations, and landing page. For this tutorial, choose email. When you click email, it will expand into three options: regular, plain text, and template. We'll use a plain text email, which is simple, fast, and looks very personal in your subscribers' inboxes. Select plain text. Then on the right side, give your campaign an internal name. This is just for your own reference, so choose something descriptive, like newsletter, April update. Once you've named it, click begin. The page will reload and ask you to choose who will receive the email. Here you can send to your entire audience, a specific segment or tag, a group, or you can create a new segment on the spot. Segments are useful if you want to target only certain subscribers based on behavior or data. But if you're just getting started, sending to your entire audience is fine. After you've made your selection, click Next. On the next screen, fill in the main email details. Add your email subject line up to 150 characters. This is what people will see first, so make it clear and compelling. Below that, enter your preview text, also up to 150 characters. This is the short snippet that appears next to the subject in many inboxes, so you can use it to expand on your subject line. You can also edit your from name and from email address. Make sure these are recognizable so subscribers know who the email is from. You'll see an option to use the inbox to manage replies, and another to personalize the to field, which can insert your contact's name for a more personal touch. Scroll down to see additional options for tracking, social media, and auto-converting videos. Configure these based on your needs, then click Next. Now you'll see the content editor for your plain text email. The screen is split into two sides. On the left, you have the actual plain text message area, which starts with some placeholder text showing merge tag examples. On the right, you'll see an accordion labeled merge tag cheat sheet. If you click this, you'll see a list of all the available merge tags, like first name or company, which you can insert into your message to personalize it. Type or paste your email content into the left side. You can include merge tags wherever you want personalized information to appear. When you're happy with your message, click Next. The final page is your review screen. Here, Mailchimp gives you feedback on all the key elements: the audience you selected, your subject line, preview text, reply settings, tracking options, and the plain text content itself. Take a moment to scan through everything and confirm that it looks correct. If you're ready to send immediately, click Send, then confirm by clicking Send Now in the pop-up window. If you prefer to send it later, you can choose to schedule the email for a specific date and time instead. And that's it. You've just created and sent a bulk plain text email campaign in Mailchimp.